Are you tired of spending too much on sandpaper? Let's discover if premium options truly deliver better results. In woodworking, you often hear that expensive sandpaper is worth it. But is that just hype? Today, we're putting cheap and premium sandpaper to the test in real woodworking scenarios. We'll use the same wood type, grit, tools, and conditions for a fair comparison. By the end of this video, you'll know if spending more really gains you better results. I purchased some of the cheapest sandpaper along with a popular premium brand recommended by professionals. At a glance, both look similar. Same grit, same woodwork intent, both claim to ensure a smooth finish. The price difference? Significant. Some premium options are nearly 3 times as much. First, let's see how they perform in material removal. I took 2 identical hardwood boards and sanded each with both paper types for the same amount of time. Starting with the cheap sandpaper, it felt fine, and I thought it worked well. Then I switched to the premium paper. Immediately, it felt more efficient. The premium sandpaper removed noticeably more material, enough to make a difference, especially for large projects. Next, surface quality matters just as much as sanding speed. The cheaper paper showed some deeper scratches under good lighting, but the premium paper had a consistent scratch pattern and felt smoother. This is critical since any imperfections become visible after applying stains or finishes. Now, what happens after extended use? I kept sanding without cleaning or replacing sheets. The cheap sandpaper started to slow down as it wore out. In contrast, the premium sandpaper continued cutting effectively even after heavy use. Sandpaper clogging is common, especially on softer woods. I forced the test to clog the paper. The cheap option clogged quickly, while the premium paper lasted longer before performance dropped. At this point, premium sandpaper was outperforming in multiple areas. The crucial question remains, is it worth the money? I analyzed the math. How many sheets do you need for typical projects? How often do you replace them, and how much time can you save? The answer changed my perspective. While the initial cost of premium sandpaper is higher, its faster cutting, longer lifespan, and lower clogging rate reduce the real cost per project. In larger jobs, this difference becomes minimal. Should every woodworker only use premium products? Not necessarily. For smaller DIY tasks, budget options work fine. But for furniture building or larger surfaces where time is a factor, premium sandpaper is more sensible. To conclude, while expensive sandpaper isn't magic and won't make you a better woodworker, it does perform better in multiple ways. If given the choice, I would spend the extra money for a noticeably improved woodworking experience. Now, I want to hear from you. What type of sandpaper do you use? Have you switched to premium products? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more tool comparisons, let me know what you'd like to see next. These results just might prompt further investigations into woodworking tools.